Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos in Instagram. So it's basically easy. When you want to make a videos, you can just go to your Instagram and then click on the plus icon at the bottom. And then here you can choose whether you want to make a video as a post, a story, reels, or others. I'm going to post a story, for example, and want to make a video. So what you need to do is just click on the circle button to tag a video. You can also use the hands-free option. Just click on this and then you can just record the video like this. Okay, and then your result will be shown here, and if you want to post it, just click on your story. And if you want to make a reel video, you can also do the same. Just click on reels and take reel like this. Okay, so that's so easy, right? I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.